Your ads suck, but probably not for the reason you think. The reason your ads suck is because you haven't made Mark Zuckerberg happy yet. So let's say this is Zuck, okay? And for those that don't know Zuck, it's Mark Zuckerberg, the owner of Facebook. Let's just say there's two businesses. Let's use dental clinics. Dental clinics X, dental clinics Y. X just does ads and relies on word of mouth. And that's because they think, I'll give them ticks because this is still better than nothing, right? They've been in business for 10 years. They have a good client base. But for whatever reason, they're just running ads and word of mouth. They don't really do anything else. That's what they do, and that's what's kept them in business. They don't want to change anything. They like their staff. They don't want to test anything new. Got it. And then there's person Y. They do SEO. So that's search engine optimization, being easy to find on Google. Social media. So they post on Facebook. I'm not going to go into the social media pages, but they post on Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, LinkedIn, TikTok. So they post on 5 platforms daily, 7 days a week, 5 days a week, even. Let's just say their word of mouth is smaller. So I'm just going to do smaller word of mouth. Maybe they've been in business for 5 years and this one's been in business for 10. So I'll give these guys 3 ticks because of really strong word of mouth. These guys also run ads. These guys also do emails. Email. Okay. Just give them a tick for each thing. So let's tally them up. 4, 5. Now you might be thinking, Dami, this person will still probably win because their word of mouth is way stronger. And at the end of the day, business is about people. It's not about fancy marketing. And I'd 1,000,000% agree. However, all marketing is an exaggeration of communication. So if I'm selling to someone, it's 1-to-1. If I'm posting on Facebook, posting on LinkedIn, posting on YouTube, that's 1 to maybe 100, maybe 1,000 or 10,000. Let's just say 1 to 10,000. Let's cap it. Let's say 10K here. If I'm running an ad, that can be 1 to 100K, or let's just say 1,000,000. It can be more than this because Facebook ad interests are a lot bigger than 1,000,000, especially if you're doing wide targeting, but let's just say it's 1,000,000. Who do you guys think Mark Zuckerberg, going through what we've gone over and what marketing really is? Yeah, just 1 second. Guys, if you're liking this video, just hit like and subscribe because we really appreciate your support. And if you think someone else can benefit from this, then please share it with a friend as well. Okay, so like, comment, subscribe, and back to the video. Exaggerated comms, exaggerated communication. Okay. Knowing what we know about these things, who do we think Zuck will like more? Great. So whilst you've thought of the answer is X. No, I'm joking. It's Y. The reason why it's Y is because these guys have mastered all levels of marketing. They've mastered the 1-to-1 to an extent, which is the word of mouth, and these guys have mastered it more. Awesome. They've also mastered the 1 to 100 and the 1 to 10K, which is social media and SEO. These guys, in essence, have skipped 1 to 100, 1 to 10K, and they've tried to go straight to 1 to 100K, 1 to 1,000,000. But these guys have hit 1-to-1 with, as I said, word of mouth. They've hit 1 to 100, 1 to 10K. That 10K can also be for emails. You can have a big email list, right? and social media and SEO, and they've obviously done 1 to 100K, 1 to a million through ads. This is crucial because what happens is if someone sees your ad, Google ad or Facebook ad, and they want to look up the founder or they want to look up the company, and they see that you have no Instagram profile or no LinkedIn page or no Instagram page, even if they came in your ad and the ad was fantastic, you now look less trustworthy compared to someone that's smaller but has more accessible case studies, is easier to find on Google, has Google reviews, sending follow-up emails, social media posts daily, running ads. It's a whole circular motion. If you go to my business page, we go wide with our content, so we just accumulate a wide number of people. If we go here, there is a disgusting volume of results. It's almost annoying. 5-star reviews, people saying things, giving updates, showing results. First page of Google galore here. Different industries, mayors and politicians, revenue, all kinds of things. So if someone sees my ad, it's more a question about how soon or when can I speak with Dami? Oh, my face isn't showing for whatever reason, but anyway. Or when can I speak with Dami? Because I'm building trust with them at multiple levels of awareness and with multiple levels of communication. Instead of going just for the jugular, which is what many people do. It's wrong. Doesn't mean you won't get leads, doesn't mean you won't get inquiries, but likely the quality of inquiries will be lesser than the person that hits these levels of communication through their marketing. So if your goal is to make Mark Zuckerberg happy, or your goal is to get better results with paid ads, you have to start, in my opinion, which I think has some validity after nearly 6 years in the space and working for a few big agencies and also generating over 7 figures for our clients with my own agency and serving nearly 200 businesses and getting many people results. I'd like to think that we do have a proven framework that could save you a lot of money with ads. So you probably want to start with SEO and social media and email, which is not as exciting as ads. But then after you get some progress, you can actually use the data from SEO, social media, and email to then chuck into the ads as well, which actually will enhance your word of mouth. I don't know if that makes sense. If you guys got value out of this, then share this with a friend. Comment as well and give this a like. And as always, think mega. Take care. Hey, guys, listen, it's Dami. Thank you for watching this video. If you got value out of this, then like, comment, and subscribe. Make sure to share this with a friend if you think that they can also get value out of this. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Take care.